So hello friends, welcome back to channel Alike Academy. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your videos appear inside shapes all using Final Cut Pro. It's really quick and easy. So let's get started. So here is an ongoing project of mine. Here we want this clip to appear inside shape. So we'll drag it over here. Now we will go over here. Then go to elements. Here is shape. Drag it over here and stretch it till the end of video clip. Now place it properly in proper place and then go over here. Here the shape is circle. You can modify to square, diamond, rectangle, pentagon, hexagon, anything you want. Let's make it square. Okay, now it has become square. And then go over here. Here the blend mode is normal. Change it to stencil alpha. Okay. Now place it properly. And then select both the clip and press Option and G. Press OK. Here the both clip has been compounded. Now place wherever you want. Make it small. Okay. We'll place over here or over here. Anywhere you want. Let's play it. You can see it is working smoothly. So in this way you can make your videos appear inside shapes. If you really like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.